In this lesson, we're going to talk about why it was important to learn about the piano and how it's going to actually help you make sense of the basic musical alphabet and make sense of notes on the staff, and also help you with music theory. So we can see that we have white keys and black keys on the piano. What we're going to do for now, we're going to forget about the black keys and we're just going to look at the white keys. So key number 1 from our 12 key pattern just so happens to be C, a C note from the basic musical alphabet. And key number 12 from our 12 key pattern just happens to be a B note. And sure enough, if we see C, D, E, F, G, A, B, that's the basic musical alphabet starting on C and ending on B. Because remember, we can start and end the basic musical alphabet on any note of the basic musical alphabet. So what that turns into when we put our two groups together is we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Now, just like the 12 key pattern repeated from low to high on the keyboard, that's the same way the basic musical alphabet goes from low to high. It repeats A, B, C, D, E, F, G over and over again. And we're going to see the same thing here. Let's take a look. Sure enough, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 A, B, C. And to show you what that would sound like, calling the names of the notes out as I play, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 A. The same way we had those ledger lines going from low to high, A, B, C, D, F, G, we can see that the piano is laid out in the same way. We have the basic musical alphabet going from left to right, from low to high, in the same way that the piano keyboard is laid out from left to right, going low to high. So let's remember how the basic musical alphabet repeats over and over again on the piano, just like the basic musical alphabet repeats over and over again on the staff. And that's going to help us understand some really interesting things in the next couple of lessons. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.